Hello YouTube, this is Mike, your host. Thank you for watching Mike Mondz channel. We're gonna learn something today. Let's start!
Today I will show you how to add YouTube branding watermark on your channel. Let's start! Make sure you are logged into your YouTube channel. On the address bar of your browser, starting from the word channel to the right, substitute it with the word features. Press the enter key. You will be directed to status and features of your channel. Make sure it is verified. Proceed to branding. Click this button, add a watermark. Click the choose file button. Make sure your image is in PNG format. Click the open button. Click the save button. Click saved again. You can customize the display time here. There are three choices up here: end of video, custom start time, and entire video. By default, it is set to custom start time, wherein you can customize the time when your branding watermark will appear in the video. Now in my case, I will choose entire video because I want that this watermark will appear on the entire frame of my video. If you are done, click update button. Wait until it is saved successfully. The status will appear in this corner. Now let's check our video. Congratulations, you have successfully added a branding watermark on your channel.
For more videos, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click the bell icon for notification.